Hello, let me show you how you can fix this issue when your Xiaomi Buds 5 stops charging. So I got one tip for you, and if it is not working, that you will have to definitely take advantage of the warranty. So first of all, you will have to take a look inside this charging port of your case. So I'm going to show you how it looks in my case. Take a look. As you can see inside, I can find a lot of dirt. Probably there's the dirt. So you can use thin item. In my case, I'm using needle, but it's actually not recommended to input here any metal parts. I will recommend you to use some plastic or wooden parts. Very thin and also hard to don't break it inside the port. And now you will have to simply start to input this from one of the side, like right or the left side, and make this simple move to basically swipe until you remove everything that is inside. But be sure that you are doing this gently, to don't break anything inside the port. So you have to be patient until you remove like everything that is inside. Let's take a look. I'm gonna blow right here to remove the rest of this. But it looks like that they are right now out of this mess from the USB port. Let's check if it works right now. Yeah, as you can see right now, it is working. So that will be all. This like quick tutorial for you. Maybe it's gonna help you. It's actually worth to try it. And yeah, tell me if it works. Thanks for watching.